What's your name?
What's your name, sir? Because I'm gonna talk to you. I need to talk to you.
What's your name?
Why does that matter, bro? You don't have no reason to pull me over.
You were riding your bike the wrong way on the road.
Oh, I just crossed the street, sir.
Yeah, but you gotta follow.
Where I
all the
gotta
rules.
cross? Tell me where I gotta cross. There's a somewhere where you gotta cross? Do I gotta go all the way to a corner?
All right, you gonna ID or you're gonna go in handcuffs? It's up to you.
Nah, we're not. We're gonna.
Yeah, it's your call.
I got a gun. I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Stop! Stop!